Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Today I have a super fun and pretty like chunky glitter ombre with bling. So I'm super excited to show you guys how I did them. So the tips that I used are the GelX Apres Natural Coffin Medium, and I'm just going to show you guys how I size them out. I'm going to do a size medium, which is the numbers 1, 5, 4, 6, and 8. So I just grab 2 of each of those and then lay them out, and then I go ahead and buff them to prep them, and then they are all ready for the design. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch this process really quick, and then I will be back. Okay, so now that we have everything sized out, we're just going to go ahead and buff them really quick just to rough that surface so that the gel has something to adhere to and it doesn't just like peel off the tip. So that's all I'm doing right here really quick, and then again I will be back for the next step. Okay, so I will be using Angel Face 2 coats and then Ciao Bella right on top for just 1 coat. I think that base is so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna do that combo, and then this is the glitter that I'm using for the ombre. So I'm super excited about this. And then I was gonna go in with this bling, but I ended up only using this bling. So yeah, I put the pink ones back. I wasn't really feeling it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the first 2 coats of Angel Face. So this is what 2 coats of Angel Face looks like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add Ciao Bella on top, and then we're gonna get into the ombre. I just love how Ciao Bella looks on top of Angel Face. I feel like it just adds the perfect amount of pink to that nude, and I love this base combo. Let me know if you guys try it. Okay, so the foundation flex is just a base coat, so it's really just all you need right now is a base coat. That's the only base coat I had near me, so that is what I am using. I do like it though. I will say it is a little bit on the thicker side, so if you have a thicker base coat, try to go for that, because then you're going to be able to really press that glitter in, and you're not going to have as many like pieces sticking out, or it's not going to be as lumpy. So yeah, if you have a thicker base coat, definitely go with that one. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and build up my ombre, and I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch. And then I will probably just chime in here and there whenever I think of stuff. But yeah, I left this in real time so you guys can see exactly how the ombre is done, or if you guys are working alongside, we can work together and build this ombre together. So yeah, I'm super excited to have this video for you guys. Let me know down below if it helps you guys, if I was able to teach you anything. If you just like the vibe here, definitely subscribe. I am hopefully back to every Monday and Friday. I took a little break because my kids were on, I believe they had a 3-day weekend, and then they didn't go to school like the previous Friday. Like, it was just a lot of back-to-back stuff and dentist appointments, and yeah, I was tired. So hopefully I am back to my every Monday, Friday, and then throwing in a few little videos here and there. But I am trying to get a lot more like detailed and intricate with every set, so I probably might only be doing like 1 or 2 videos a week, but really showing you guys in depth 5 different styles on one nail, or on one like set, so that way you guys can like kind of have a 5-in-1 type deal. So yeah, I really want to challenge myself. I love Christmas and I love holiday nails, so I really want to do like candy canes, snowflakes, snowmen. I might try to draw the Grinch this year. I don't know. I really want to challenge myself this year. If you guys have any ideas or anything you really want to see that has to do with like Christmas, let me know, and I got you guys. I definitely am excited for this year, and yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch. so this is what we are looking like. If I wasn't gonna add bling, I would have just left them glossy like that and called it a day, but I wanted to add bling. I've seen like nails like that so much and I've always wanted to do them, so that is why I added like the scattered ombre bling on top of the glitter ombre, and I love how they came out. So yeah, I'm just going back in with that thick base coat so that way I can kind of smooth it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna wipe off that sticky layer that comes from a base coat, and I'm gonna buff them to make them super smooth, and then we're gonna go in with the bling and then top coat, and that is it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch until we get to that bling. And then I just kind of sped through this so you guys can watch, but if you guys want a more in-depth video on when I do like feel the need to reshape, file, buff, like all of that, and then leave it in real time, I can definitely do that. It's usually when you're encapsulating things or when you have chunky glitter like this, that I will go back and I will put like a thick base coat. Sometimes I'll even do base coat and then top coat and then buff and then do another top coat. So it really just depends on like how I like what I need in order to make the nail like smooth and just like really ready for a top coat. So yeah, this is how they look. They are nice and smooth and ready for bling and top coat. So yeah, we're just gonna go right in to this bling. I'm just gonna lay it out like this. They are two different sizes and they're also two different colors, so you can't really mix them up. Like one back is pink and then the other one is that like normal silver color. I got those from AliExpress like years ago, so I don't have the link for those. I'm just trying to use them up. And then these ones were from House of Supplies in one of my monthly boxes that they gave me. I don't have a subscription anymore, but I do have a ton of like bling and stuff that I'm still trying to work through. So yeah, I just like mixed them. I wanted this set to have mixed bling anyway. So we're just going to get right into that bling, and I'm just going to basically scatter on little dots and fill them with the regular like SS, I believe they're 5 and 6 probably. Fill them with those and then just do one shape bling, and that's it. These came out so cute, so I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch. Okay, so this is how we are looking before top coat, and I debated on going gloss or matte, but I just felt like the matte looked so much better with the bling, and I felt like if I didn't add bling, like I said, I would have kept them glossy. But I don't know, to me the matte looked a lot better. Let me know what you guys think, if I should have did them glossy or if you guys like the matte too. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I am just going to show you guys how I kind of like do my top coat around bling, because I definitely try not to put any top coat on my bling, especially if it's matte top coat. You don't want to dull the shine of bling at all. So I just go in with a liner brush and go around all of the bling, and that is it. So I'm just going to show you guys how they look all done and filed, finish filed, all of that good stuff, and then how they looked in their bundle. They came out so cute, and these are a ready to ship set. They are a size medium in medium coffin. So yeah, I loved making these. I hope you guys enjoyed this set. I hope I was able to help you guys with anything, or just let you guys watch some fun nail videos. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.